I didn't know of the existence of cinema until I was 11, when a traveling projectionist came to the village school and showed 2 films which I remember, but they didn't impress me. But later, when we moved to Munich, to the big city, I saw films, and a decisive moment was seeing Dr. Fu Manchu. And in Dr. Fu Manchu there was a gun battle, and one of the henchmen of Dr. Fu Manchu was shot from a rock, and he somersaults down and does a strange little kick in midair. It's a 2 seconds, 3 second shot. But 15 minutes later there was another gun battle, and they recycled exactly that same shot again, even though it was a different location and different people involved. And I said to my friend, "Did you see that? Did you see that?" Nobody saw it. And I said, I'm sure they used the same shot. And from then on I got fascinated. How do you narrate film? How do you put it together? How do you have the boldness to recycle the same shot and nobody notices? And ultimately, when I was 14, I knew I would make films.